My review of the Panasonic NN-E28JMM microwave oven. Let's go. Let's get this thing unboxed. This is an Amazon 800 watts, 255mm turntable, child lock, quick 30, auto defrost, 20 litres, auto program. Weighs 13 kilos and hopefully it will last longer than our other microwave that's basically rusted, if you can believe that. So, normally I open these things upside down. I seem to have got it the right way this time. Move all that out of the way. It's only quite small, it does weigh quite a bit. Alright, so that's it. That is what you get out of the box. So look at that. It's quite nice actually. Feels well made. Like I say, that would basically take a full size plate. I don't know if you've ever done it, but you can buy microwaves that are too small and they won't take a full size plate, which is a pain. Auto defrost bread, meat items, meat joints. Auto reheat on curry, Chinese pasta. Pretty healthy, isn't it? Auto cook on jacket potatoes, fresh vegetables and fresh fish. Full release. And we've got the instructions inside. Household use only, obviously not for commercial. That all slides out. Inside is metal instructions. Smells a little bit. I will read the instructions. I think you probably have to fire it up a couple of times. But yeah, where are these things made these days? Trying to see it. Made in the PRC, People's Republic Congo. Everything's made there. It's unbelievable. Right, so yeah, that's my review. I think what we do now is plug it in and do a quick test on it and see how good it is. Right, so one microwave, plug it in. Kitchen's a bit full up with stuff. What do we need? We need the turntable ring mechanism. Notice that they're still putting, they're not putting LED bulbs in these things yet, but I guess you can't do that because of the heat, I don't know. Anyway, that's the turntabling. These things use, I think it's 0.68 watts in standby, so hardly any power at all, so you can leave them left on. Just looking at the instructions, just see what warranty we get with these. Register your product. Register in 21 days, free prize draw, Lumix camera. Yeah, we do that. Can't see how long the warranty lasts for. Anyway, instructions, dimensions. Actually, no, that's the spaces, the gaps you've got to leave within the unit. So if you do need the dimensions, let me know and I'll put a comment up, but I'm not going to do that just yet. All the cooking times. Panasonic have always been pretty good on microwaves. Right, does this thing peel off the front? Let's peel that off. Yeah, I'm sort of fed up. Our old microwaves are Russell Hobbs, and like I say, it's rusted through. Thinking is that it's, you cook stuff in your microwave, you just shut the door after use, which is a pretty normal thing to do, but obviously there's quite a lot of moisture inside, and that will just eventually rot the thing if there's any damage to the paintwork. So let's put a cup of water in and see how noisy this is. Let's have a look. Right. This is where you start thinking about your old microwave. Micro power, quick 30. Start. You can't get too excited about microwaves, can you? I will do the measurements actually, because that'll help a few people. Trusty tape measure. These are online somewhere, I was reading them. So, we've got a width of 43 centimetres, a height of say 25, and a depth, including the cable thing at the back, of 34. A cup of water for 30 seconds. Hot. Inside, I'm going to turn this off, I'm putting metal objects in. Right, so inside measurements are 17 by 27 centimetres, a depth of 30 centimetres. So looking at that, we should be able to get a full size plate if I've got one. May have to go to the dishwasher and get one out. Right. Yeah, that fits. That isn't an absolute big full size, that's a full size plate. Just goes in. Just goes in. Yeah. So that plate diameter is, let's have a look, 26, maybe 26.5. So that will go in okay. So yeah, compact microwave but takes full size plates. So have a quick look at this instruction. Sorry, the warranty. It's a bit mad, it doesn't say how long it's covered for. It says registered in 21 days. Don't know. Right, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, don't forget to ask, rate and subscribe. Thanks, bye.
Mummy, he's stuck in the roof. Side flip and back flip. He wouldn't want to see it. He's showing his pants now. It's really, really funny. Hello, funny man. Can you see how funny it is? It is so hilarious. Look. It's like Spider-Man doing back flips and front flips. See? He's unstickable. See? He does 4-leg crouch. See?